Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Manus versus ChatGPT, two AI tools that serve very different purposes but often get mentioned together. If you've been wondering which one is right for you, stay tuned until the end because I'll break down features, pros, cons, and best use cases. Let's start with Manus. Manus is an AI-powered research and writing assistant designed mainly for professionals who need structured, factual outputs. Think of it as a focused tool for creating documents, reports, and content that's backed up with sources. It has strong citation tools, helps you stay organized with your research, and generates content in a professional tone. Manus is great if you're in academia, business, or journalism, where accuracy and reliability are more important than creative writing. Now, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 and GPT-5 models, is much more of a general-purpose AI assistant. You can use it for casual conversation, brainstorming, creative writing, coding, summarizing, or even generating images if you're on the pro plan. It's highly versatile and integrates with tools like browsing, file uploads, and memory. ChatGPT is best if you need an all-in-one AI that can adapt to a wide range of tasks from casual chatting to advanced workflows. So, how do they compare? Both are user-friendly, but ChatGPT feels more flexible while Manus keeps things structured and professional. ChatGPT shines in brainstorming, storytelling, and creative projects. Manus focuses more on factual, research-backed writing. Manus is best for researchers, students, and professionals who need accuracy and citations. ChatGPT is best for creators, developers, and anyone who wants a versatile AI partner for everyday tasks.